Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
English was the easiest.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir. Social was the easiest, sir.
Okay. You all studied so hard. That's why all the subjects become easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Did you guys check Kishore's code that I had sent in the group? His scratch code.
Yes, sir. Sir, you had sent it on 27th.
Yes.
Sir, is it your account or Vishnu sir's?
This is Vishnu sir's account. I am logged in from his account.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the assignment, sir? You told you will give today.
Yes, I told you I'll give you. I would have given you yesterday, but right now I'm in a place where there is no proper internet, so I'll give that assignment to you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Very few students have joined the class.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir,
only
which code should we open?
Which code for this today's class?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I will explain. Don't worry. Okay.
sir, your voice is low, sir.
Yes, sir. Your
No.
voice is very low.
Yeah, sir. What's low?
Low as in means slow. Okay. I have to speak little bit loudly. That's what,
Sir,
right?
now it's fine, sir. Now it's fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. How many? Okay, 18. What about others enjoying holiday after exam? Where is others?
Sir, in Vijayanagar, sir,
Sir,
the
he must have
holidays
went
are
for
started,
badminton
but
slowly,
here
sir.
there are no holidays.
Sir, he has went for badminton. I'll assure you that.
Okay. Okay. So should we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Evening, sir.
You are using Vishnu Dev account.
Yes, I'm using Vishnu sir's account. Yes.
What, sir? You are in Vishnu sir's house?
Very few students, sir.
I'm just using Vishnu sir's account. I'm not at his house. You guys are not inviting me. That's why I'm not coming. Okay. Okay. Others joined. See.
Yes, sir, he joined.
Yeah, sir. I invited him now.
Sir, which HTML file should we open?
Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll look at that. Okay. Ragini 2 joined. Yes, 22. Okay. Let's wait for 1 more minute. Yes, Tanushree, I saw your assignment, but there is an issue with all of your submission. I will tell you today. Don't worry.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, others. I was waiting for you.
Sir, others सभी teachers का favorite है, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay. So let's start. It's on yes.
Sir,
17.
the fourth question assignment, sir.
Fourth question assignment as in.
Sir, in the fourth question, you told who will win, sir.
Okay. 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 Yes. Okay.
Sir, I was the first. You told I have to.
I know. Just give me 1 more week. Okay. Just give me 1 more week. I will
from 2 weeks, you are telling that.
Sorry, others. Sorry. Okay, Brinda. Okay, Brinda, don't worry. Okay, see, you can open HTML in mobile as it is. Okay, you can open it on Chrome browser itself. But since you are saying you don't have your lappy with you, don't worry about it. Just go through the class, okay, and try to do the assignment when you have your laptop with you. Okay, don't
Sir,
worry.
our
What is the assignment?
then in our school, our ma'am told that we have a app for HTML in mobile.
Yes, we have an app for HTML in mobile, but
Something.
that is not so much user friendly. Okay, so rather than trying to do that in that complicated app, just focus on the class and she can do it later. Okay, so first let's start with this.
Okay, sir.
Let's start with Kishore's nice program. Okay,
Sir, I also have some same conditions, sir. I also don't have my laptop.
no issues, no issues. Okay, see. Okay, so here I wanted to the assignment that I had given you was, after completing the number of count, I wanted you to find out the places where the dots are there. Okay, so what Kishore has done is he has used a list. Okay, you can see this where it is saving all the positions.
No,
where
sir, you haven't shared this screen.
Sir, it is visible, sir.
Yeah, sir.
I have shared the screen.
Yes, sir. I think his network issue.
Okay, so here what he is doing is he is locating the location of all the dots and putting it in a list. Okay, so after getting this list, now see, if when you are scanning a QR code, okay, the black dots are different. The pattern of black dots are different. Okay, so here it is also the same.
Can you zoom out, sir, to see the full code?
It is very big.
It's a lot big. Okay, see again, if you see his code, then you will
Yeah,
you will
fall
not
down,
try
sir.
to do it on your own.
So we will fall down, sir.
No. So the point is, see, use your own logic. Okay, so here what Kishore has done is he is moving this green he is moving this sprite, and whenever the sprite is encountering the red dot, he is updating the location in the list. Okay, here. Okay, so see, it is adding all the places into the list. Okay, and finally it is telling all the places where there has been dots. Okay, so using this, okay, we can do a lot of things. Okay, so okay, I will tell you the assignment regarding this on the group or in the next class. Okay, I'm planning to design a unique identity code. Okay, the unique ID. Okay, for all of you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go back to the HTML programming. Okay,
So I want to tell, sir.
yes, others.
So Vishnu sir told that
Hello, sir,
we
can
will
you
do
hear me?
Unity, sir.
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Aditya, I can hear you. Yes, okay, yes, others. Okay, if means okay, if it is required, we can go for Unity as well. Okay, okay. So now let's move on to HTML and CSS. How to do that assignment? Okay, Tanusri. So how to do that, as in last to last class, I think I have asked you to use Scratch. Like in the last Scratch assignment, we were finding out how many number of red dots are there, right, Tanusri? Yes. So now what we are doing is, instead of just finding out how many number of red dots are there, we are finding out at which location those red dots are. Okay, so if we find like, okay, suppose you are using binary. Okay, so in binary you can code something, right? So if you are writing if you are writing 3 in binary, you can write it as 1 and 1, right, Tanusri? Okay, let me explain. Okay, don't worry. The whiteboard is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
suppose this is a basic QR code. Okay, this is a basic QR code. Okay, just like the table. Okay, so here, suppose for Kishore, we are putting a red dot over here. Okay, and another red dot over here. Okay, now for Tanushree, okay, suppose for Tanushree, we are making another table. Okay, again a 2 cross 2, so 4. Okay, for Tanushree, suppose the red dots are like this. Okay, here and here. Okay, now see, the number of red dots are similar in both the case, but the position of red dots are different, right? So when you are scanning a QR code, it is not only scanning how many number of black dots are there, it is also scanning what is the position of those black dots. Okay, so here, if we see this one, if we see this case, we can know that this is Kishore. Okay, if we scan this one, we will know that this is Tanushree. How we will know that? The position of red dots are here 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay, and 4, right? But here the position are 1 and 3. Isn't it? So this is how we can uniquely identify different QR codes. Okay, so Tanushree, you understood, right? Yes. Now what we are planning to do is that, suppose in our class there are like 23 students, we are planning to assign 23 unique IDs to each student. Some random noise is coming, I think. Yes, okay. Okay, now coming back to HTML and CSS. Okay, this is clear for everyone, right?
Yes,
Sir, when are we going to start CSS, sir?
yes, sir. Same question, sir.
CSS is just styling. Okay, so once we are done with HTML, we'll start CSS. Okay, probably
Sir, and C++,
next class.
sir.
Okay, C++ also you want. Okay, we'll go through one program at a time. Okay, so yes, okay, so CSS mostly next class. Okay, if you are able to finish the next assignment properly, we'll go for CSS. Okay, now
So what is the next assignment?
I will tell after the class. Don't
Sir,
worry.
please don't give scratch assignment, sir. I'm trying it hard to do it, sir. Sir,
Okay.
give a HTML or CSS assignment, sir.
Why not scratch others?
So I don't know, sir. I'm not able to understand the logic.
What? You after finishing the whole class, you're saying you are not able to understand the logic.
So like,
Others?
Yes, sir, same with me, sir.
so
Okay.
I also asked many people, say in our class, most of them told Scratch is difficult than HTML.
Sir, Scratch
Yes,
is very easy,
definitely.
sir.
See, Scratch is the core. Okay, Scratch is higher level programming than HTML. Okay, so I just want a hand count. Okay, how many of you are not comfortable with Scratch? Okay.
Sir, I am not totally comfortable, sir. Which all things you
Sir,
got,
Sir, I'd say I am
so like I'm
almost
comfortable, sir. But if you give an option Scratch or HTML, I would choose HTML. Sir.
Okay, that is not. That is that.
Sir,
Yes.
I'll choose Scratch. Scratch is more easier, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, I
okay, we
choose
can do one
HTML.
thing. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Okay.
It's like I like to
HTML
write
is-
the code, sir, not just.
HTML is easy. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so any of you, okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, all of you guys, okay, I will give you one Scratch assignment. You try to work on it. Okay, any
Sir,
one of
not
you have
Scratch,
any
sir.
doubt?
Okay,
Don't
sir.
worry. Okay, see, if you don't learn others, then you will not able to do it. Okay, see, in this logics are going to come. Okay, they are going to come in JavaScript also. Okay.
So
So
how
what I will
Scratch
do is
will
that.
come in Java, sir?
Come again.
So like in Scratch, everything is ready-made, sir. So how will
Yes,
it be
sir.
useful in Java, sir?
Because here you will learn the logics others, okay? So the
Sir,
logic is like,
Sir,
okay, so,
I understood the logic, sir. I'm just not able to use those logics in the assignments. Like where to use what.
okay.
Sir, I only don't know how, I only don't know one thing, sir, that is how to make a block, sir, in Scratch, sir.
How to make a block. Okay, fine. So we'll keep one class for that. Okay, right now we'll focus on HTML. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
I asked all of you guys to submit your assignment. Okay, so what you guys have done, you have submitted only the HTML file. The problem with that is, since I'm not able to access the JPG file or the image file, I'm not sure whether you have done it properly or not. So let me first explain how to submit the assignment. Okay.
Sir, zip.
Yes, I'll
Sir, and
explain
did
that.
you check mine, sir? Sir, Tank project.
Yes, I couldn't others because I am at a place where there is no internet. Okay.
So,
सर ये देखो सर मजे घर में बैठे बैठे
sir, Vihan हमें चला रहा है, sir.
Vihan, that is not fair,
खेल रहा है कि क्या कर रहा है सर?
but that looks tasty though.
Sir,
wait,
that
okay.
is why, sir. Now we are getting hungry, sir.
Yes. Okay.
राशि सर ने भी कल भूख कर
हाँ, sir. Sir,
आज आप
विष्णु सर भी, sir. अभी पिज्जा खाने जा रहा हूँ करके बोले, sir.
Okay. So all of you have made a folder named coding class, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what is code
Okay.
pen, sir?
CodePen is just on a website where you can write codes directly. You don't have to install VS Code and all. You can write the codes directly over there. Okay. Now,
So then,
so
why
when you're
can't we use
submitting,
code pen, sir?
wait, others. Wait. Okay, let me first finish the topic, then I'll address. VS Code is better. That's why I told you to download VS Code. Okay. You can't always depend upon CodePen. No, you can't. It might be down sometime. The server might be down. You might not have internet sometime. CodePen is online platform. Okay. So here, look at it. So when you are submitting the assignment, what you guys are doing, you are just sending this HTML files. Okay. But if you do that, I'm not getting this image files. Okay. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to right click on the coding class and click on add to archive. Okay, add to coding class.rar. Okay, so you have to make it a zip file. Okay, and send this zip file to me. Okay, you guys understood or should I explain again?
Yes, sir, understood, sir.
Sir, how to make a
No,
zip
sir,
file?
can you
Yes,
please explain again?
We have to open
Explaining,
it and
explaining.
sir, right click.
Explaining others. Don't hijack my class. Okay, wait. So
So
what
can
you
I
have to do
say
is
hijack?
that, wait, on the all of you have made this coding class folder, right?
Yes,
And you are
sir.
writing the HTML inside this coding class folder.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Yes,
have to
sir.
right click on the coding class. Okay, here you will find an option. Wait,
So send to.
send to.
Send to.
Yes, send to. Here you can find compressed zip folder. Okay, you click on this. Okay, it is going to make it a zip folder. Okay,
Yes,
a
sir.
single file. Then you can
Yes,
send me
yes.
this file. Okay,
So
all
using
of you,
mail.
you can.
Sir,
Yes.
okay, sir, I got it, sir. We should send the whole file.
Yes, all of you
Sir,
make
I
a
have a
note of
doubt.
this because you might. Yes,
Zip file में ही भेजना है sir.
zip file
What
भेजना
is
है,
the
हाँ.
zip file? So why should we convert it?
Because in zip file, what is happening is that, see, this is a folder,
So
right?
because
It
we
has a lot-
cannot share a folder,
Others.
sir, we have to change
up.
it to us.
Others,
So
shut up. Shut up.
सर प्लीज
Okay. See, what you have, inside a folder, you have a lot of files. Okay. So you can't attach a folder in a mail. Okay. You can attach individual files. Okay. If you do that, you are going to lose the structure. Okay, you can't attach images folder. No, you have to attach this figure. Okay, then you will lose the path. Okay, means in your code it might be that /images and then the name of the file. But if you're sending it like this, I won't be able to get that, right? So instead of doing that, what is happening is that when you're converting into zip, it is converting the whole folder, it is preserving the whole folder structure. Okay, so if you see here, if I open coding class.zip, you can see that the coding class is there and the images folder is also there and the image file is also there inside the folder. So I can just get the file, okay, and I can just unzip it and I will get the whole folder. Okay, is your doubt clear, Tanusri? I think it was Tanusri, right?
Sir, how should we zip the file?
I didn't get you. Come again. Okay.
Sir, can
Anyone
you just explain that again?
Explain what exactly?
Sir, like how should we zip the file?
How to?
Zip.
I'm not getting you. How to make this zip folder?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to right click on this coding class, okay, and then go to send to, okay, send to, and click on compressed zip folder. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it? Okay, now coming back. Okay, so up until now, what
I
you have
want to
done
show
is,
something after the class. Sir.
okay, others. Yes, Sandhya.
Sir, when I tried to do this, sir, compressed zip folder, sir, it
Yes.
is showing that Windows cannot create the compressed zip folder here.
Okay. Okay, do one thing. Share your screen.
Sir, actually, I cannot, sir, because I'm attending in mobile and I cannot use laptop, sir.
Okay. Okay, so just take a screenshot of what is the error that is being shown.
Okay,
Just
sir.
take a photo of that and post it on the group. Okay, I'll try to solve it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I have to send the GIF. Sir, I have to send now the GIF folder. Yes. Now all of, not right now. Okay. After today's class, you guys, whenever you are submitting the assignment, send the whole coding class folder. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Dax is saying I did not attend before to class. Dax.
Sir, I've sent.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Dax.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many you have missed the previous two classes?
Yes, sir, because exams were.
Again, Dax. Okay, so you should have watched the recordings now, Dax. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You watch the recordings. Okay.
Okay.
Guys,
me too.
okay, guys, whoever is missing classes, okay, it is your responsibility to go through those recordings, okay? Because see, I cannot summarize the whole class within 5 to 10 minutes now. And this is HTML. So here you have to see the how I have written the code, okay? Siddharth is also saying that, okay, this is not good. You all of you guys, this is okay. So if you want to understand this class, you have to watch the previous two class recording. Okay. Aditya is saying so. Okay, all of you guys are not good students. Okay, I'm putting you in bad student list. Okay, fine. Okay, no worries. Okay, try to just try to see what I'm doing today. Okay, you and go back to the and watch the previous class recording. You will be able to understand. If you have any doubt, I'm here. You can ask me. Okay. In second assignment, we have to paste the singer photos. It's yes, Tanusri, you can paste the singer photo or the album. That is not an issue. Whichever you want. See, the aim is not to make a perfect album portfolio. Okay, the aim was for you to learn how to put images and photos. Okay, now Rajat, something going on behind you, so that noise is there. Okay, now yes. So today we are okay. All of you might have noticed whatever we have done is till now is only marking up. We haven't done hypertext. Okay, what is the full form of HTML? Kishore, can you say?
Yes, sir. Sir, HTML means
Hypertext markup
hypertext
language.
markup language.
Okay, one at a time, guys. If you both two guys speak at a time, I won't be able to hear. Okay. Yes, as Kishore rightly said, it is hypertext markup language. Now, what is hypertext? Vihan, pizza eating guy, you there? Vihan, he's not there.
Yes, sir.
Your pizza is finished?
हाँ sir, कब का?
Okay. What is hypertext?
Markup language.
Wait. What is hypertext? I know HTML is hypertext markup language.
Sir,
But
किसी
the
का link किसी website ऐसा कुछ.
Okay.
Sir,
See,
can I
Sir,
tell?
hypertext is
Sir, I've
linked
even
by
done it, sir.
which
Can
we
I tell
can,
with an example?
by which we
Sir,
can
we
trans-
click on that and we open a new page.
Yes, sir.
okay.
So
okay,
can I-
okay, good.
We will be
Yes, others. Okay, go ahead.
teleported to another website.
Yes,
Sir,
correct,
I'm ready.
correct.
Sir, I'm
Sir,
also ready with the screen, sir. Can I?
can I
show,
just share my screen, sir, for
Sir, I
a
also have
second,
ready,
sir?
sir.
Why,
Sir, I
Arav?
think so there's some glitch, sir. Sir, in HTML, sir, the shift I and tab is not working, sir. Sir, can I share it?
Okay. Okay, Arav, you can share the screen. In the meantime, others, you are saying something?
Sir, can I show and share, sir? I'm ready with the
Sir, can you
hypertext.
change the settings, sir?
Yes, I changed the setting. You can share your screen. Yes, others.
Sir, I also sent how to write the HTML tags.
Yes,
The hypertext.
Yes, you showed that. But I wanted to know what is hypertext.
So can I tell?
Yes, that's why I'm asking you only, others.
Sir, okay, sir. So hypertext is using a code to
Sir,
move
Can
from
you see
one.
my screen?
Yes, Arav, I'm able to see your screen. Just let others speak. He wanted to speak for so long. Yes, others.
Yes, sir. So hypertext is a code to connect two websites, sir. Like my website is about dogs, sir, and I have say like
Okay.
branched
Order.
my website to 4
You
times.
wanted a short answer. Okay, fine. Okay. Yes, I'm able to see your screen, Arav. Okay, you just press.
sir.
Yes, why it is not working is that because you haven't given an extension this
HTML.
file. You have to write first .html. Okay, you have just written first. Don't worry, you go to the
Oh.
left. Okay, yes, right click on that,
Yes, sir.
rename.
First dot
Yes,
HTML.
Write first .html.
HTML capital.
Small is better. You can write in both, but small is better. Yes, HTML.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
enter. Now, yes, now press backspace. Yes, a tab.
Backspace. What
Backspace.
is
Not at the rate. Yes, now press tab. It will work. Yes.
Oh, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So hypertext HTML full form is hypertext markup language. So hypertext is something when you are linking using text to link one page to the other.
I have a problem. Can I share my screen?
Just hold on, Aditya. If everyone is going to share their screen, then our course will not be over. Okay. So just wait for some time. Let me first explain. Okay. Then we will share. Okay. Okay. So hypertext is when you are linking one page to the other. Okay. So in the last assignment, I have asked you to make 3 pages. Okay. You are making the hobby. Okay. And the favorite song list. And previously you have also made your soul animal. Correct. Now These are all markups till now. Okay, we are just marking up. Okay, we are just telling the web page which one is a heading, which one is a paragraph, which one is a image. That's all. But we haven't linked one to the other. Okay, so this linking is what is called hypertext. Okay, to link that we will use a new tag which is called anchor tag. Okay. Some
So
background
first
noise.
you told you will teach how to change the font size and colors. Sir.
How
Yeah.
to change? How
So
to
that is
change
the main
Yeah,
thing we
sir.
want.
Sir,
now.
you
Wait.
taught sir font, sir.
I told you how to change, make bold and italic, all those things. Okay, changing colors we will deal with in CSS. Okay.
Sir, tell now, sir. So we learned in Notepad, sir, but I tried the same logic, but it is not working. Sir.
It will work. Don't worry. Okay.
So it is not working. Sir.
It will work. It will work. Don't worry. Let me come to that point. No, I'm first trying to make you comfortable with HTML. Then we'll go with the coding. Don't worry.
मैं सिखा दूं क्या सर वो?
Yeah.
नहीं सर, आदर्श भैया बोल रहे थे ना कि उनको फॉन्ट कलर नहीं डालने आ रहे हैं, तो फिर मैं सिखा दूं सर?
हाँ, सब कोई मेरा क्लास ले लो.
सब
ठीक है?
तुले हुए हैं सर आपकी क्लास
आदर्श
कोई
भैया।
नहीं, सब कोई खुद को पढ़ा दो. सब कोई खुद को पढ़ा दो. मैं जा रहा हूँ छुट्टी में. ठीक है? ओके.
सर गोवा जाके
नहीं सर।
बहुत सारे
Okay, focus here. Okay, see, I have opened the coding class. Okay, here I can see all the HTML files. Okay, I'm creating a new file. Okay, right click, new file. I'm naming it as index.html. Okay, why I'm naming it as index is because this is a convention. Okay, convention as in this has been so. This has been so for a long time. So when you are opening a book, the first thing you see is an index, correct? The contents of the book. So similarly, when you are opening a website, okay, the first file that the browser is going to fetch is called index. Okay, that is why I'm naming it as index. So in index, I'm just putting some text. Okay, I'm writing here. I'm naming it as my website. Okay, and in the body, I'm just putting one h1 tag. Okay, now I want to link all the 3 pages. Okay, to link that, I am using this tag called anchor tag. Okay. Okay. Inside the anchor tag, like in previously we have seen, you have to put a attribute. Okay.
Sir,
So
I have a doubt.
wait, let me first finish this. Okay. In the attribute, you are going to provide the link to the other files. Okay. And here you are going to give it a name. Okay. So suppose I'm going to my hobbies. So I'm writing here. Okay, and in href, okay, let me first save it. Okay, now let's see how this is being shown. Okay, guys, I'm getting a lot of background noise.
Sir, is that sir? Why have put dot slash sir in? Sir, in our school it is not taught like that. Without that also we can.
Okay, Rajat, see, if you, okay, guys, please, all of you mute yourself. I'm getting a lot of background noise. Okay, see, Rajat, you can just write the name also and it will work, but that is not the convention. Okay, the proper convention is to put a dot and put a forward slash. Okay, when we will upload the code to actual website, no, we'll all of you are going to make your own websites in the next class. Okay, there you will see if you don't put this dot and forward slash, it is going to cause problems. Okay, So as a good practice, use the dot. Okay. Now this was it, right? See. Here, this is my website and it is showing the hobbies. Okay, if I click on hobbies, it is opening the hobbies page. Okay, now let's link the other two pages as well. Okay, so I'm putting another anchor tag. Okay, soul animal it was, right? Okay, I saved it. Now let me go back. If I open index again, you can see hobbies, my soul animal. Okay, and you can see songs. Okay, now we have linked all the three pages in one page, right? We can, like in normal website, if you go here, suppose we are going to any website, suppose let's go to which one? Let's go to the homeschool website. Okay, not sure whether it will be available or not. Come again.
Sir, what is this voice coming, sir?
Which voice?
That's sir's typing.
Okay, I was just you guys are so nitpicking. Okay, see here, this is a general website. Okay, here you can see, you can go to different pages here, right? About us. Okay, if you click on it, it is taking you to a different page.
Sir, we can see your HTML.
Come again.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Yes. Understood. Okay. So, yes.
Sir, share screens are not HTML.
Yes. I shared the screen. It is visible now, right?
Yeah,
Sir,
sir.
we don't have this website, sir.
Yeah, sir.
I know. This is not the website. I just opened up a random website. Okay. So if I open this index file, this is okay. So this was the index file, right? If I open the index file, you can see all the three pages are here. I can click
So
on the
you have to
hobby.
use break tag, sir.
I will. Okay, don't worry. You can click on the hobbies. Okay, you can go to the hobbies page. You can click on the click on the my soul animal. You can go to the my soul animal page. Okay, you can click on the songs and go to the songs page. Okay, now what we have done is that we have linked all the three pages into one page. Now this is perfect HTML page. Okay, now so here in normal in any website, you can go to about us. Okay, and then to the blog, right? Here again, all the different pages are linked, but always there is this button where we can click to go to the home page. Okay, so it is important to add the home page also. So in the other pages, okay, like in my favorite song, we have to add the home page also. So to add that, I'm going here on the top and adding the home page. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
are you writing sir on a computer or a laptop, sir?
On laptop only. Why?
So the sounds of typing, sir. So which one are you using, sir?
Why it is so good or so bad?
Sir, like in
Sir,
mobile, sir,
it's so
when you
loud.
type,
Okay, sorry.
It is nice, actually.
Okay, sorry.
Sir, fun also, sir, to listen.
Sir, your battery.
Sir, when
Yes, sir.
mobile, sir, when we
96.
sounds come, no, sir, like that, The same is in a laptop.
Okay. So focus here. Okay. So now what we have done is that we have linked all the 3 pages to one another. Okay. So I can go to the my website page. Okay. Let me reload it. I can go to the hobbies page, and from hobby page, I can go back to the index page. I can go to soul animal page, go back to the home page, songs page, and go back to the home page. Okay. Now we have linked all the pages together. Okay. Now this looks odd. Okay, we cannot separate if there are 3. This looks odd. Okay, wait, let me mark it. Yes, this looks odd, right? We cannot separate them one from the other, right? So
If anyone will read, he will read like hobbies,
hobbies, my soul animal songs. Exactly. So let's separate it. Okay, to separate it, we have another element which is called list. Yes. No. Yes, we will clear all right. Okay. So to do that,
Sir?
we are going to use list items. Okay.
The
So
table
Sir?
also we can do, sir.
yes, we can do tables also. We can do break.
The
lot of-
LIUL is for lists, and for table it is not remembering.
Okay, others
Sir?
stop it. Okay, this is not fair. Okay, let me teach. Okay, if you are telling others, the problem is you are telling a lot of things that people might not have been familiar with. So it will create a lot of doubts. Okay, so let's go back in flow one by one. Okay, don't try to hijack my class. Okay, yes, someone is asking something.
Sir, I was telling sir. Sir, now sir, we really believe sir you like panda sir more than anything, sir. I now
Okay.
really believe, sir.
Yes. Okay. Fine.
After seeing that your Chrome has Kung Fu Panda file.
Okay, fine. Coming back to the class. Okay, see, now we have linked all the HTML files. Okay, now to different this linking, we are going to use one more tag that is called list items. Okay, so let me just open this.
Sir, to make the text bold, we have to use B tag, no, sir?
You can use B tag, but rather than using B tag, use the strong.
So
What
what's
is
wrong,
that?
sir?
Strong tag. Instead of writing B, you can use strong tag. Okay, here I have explained. No, see this one. You can use this one, strong. This one.
Okay,
You
sir.
can use B though, but I prefer using strong because B is again a formatting text. So formatting will do in CSS.
Okay,
so
sir.
prefer using strong. Okay. Now, what we are teaching is this. Okay. So there are two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. Okay. So ordered list is something when you are writing, suppose 1, 2, 3, those things. And unordered list is something when you are just using bullets. Okay. Yes.
Sir, what is HR used for?
What is HR used for?
Yes, sir.
HREF. Okay. HREF you are talking about, right? We're talking about this HREF.
No, sir.
Then Shrey.
No, sir, I'm not talking about that, sir. I am talking about HR.
Okay. HR is for horizontal row line. Okay. HR just creates a line. You might have missed the last 2 classes as well, right? Shrey.
No, sir.
Okay.
Shrey is attending the first coding class.
Okay.
HTML.
So HR is when you want to put a horizontal line. Okay, let me just explain. Let me just show you here. Okay, so suppose we go here, we are putting an HR over here. Okay, my favorite songs. No, okay. Let's go back to songs. You see this horizontal line below home.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you just go back to the code, sir? Can you just show again little bit the code back?
Yes.
Yes, sir. After
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any doubts till now?
Sir, and sir, what's the other one, sir, called?
Which one?
Sir, the vertical line. And sir,
Okay,
how
there.
do we use it?
Horizontal line or vertical line? There is no vertical line as per my knowledge. If there is,
Then,
I
sir,
haven't used it ever. Yes.
then sir, how do they put in websites a vertical line in which in the side they have home?
Yes, yes, yes. We'll learn that. Okay, gradually. Okay, don't be impatient. Okay, have patience. Okay, we'll learn how to put horizontal, vertical lines as well. Okay.
Sir, when will the class end?
Like, yes. Okay. Who is asking when will the class end? Why you have some
The
important meeting
exam
to
is
attend?
finished, it should be till 10 o'clock, sir.
Okay. The class will end at 9. Okay. So yes, instead of
thank you, sir.
using
I am
this,
going.
this is my website. You can use any name of your choice. Okay. Okay. Coming back to
Sir, what was that?
where was I? Okay. So I was explaining how to use the list items. Okay. So there are two types of list. Okay. One is order list. Another one is unordered list. Okay. So this is an example of unordered list. Okay. Here we are just using bullet points. If we change it to this now becomes an ordered list. Okay. Understood? Everyone understood? We can change it to
Yes, sir.
unordered.
Sir, can
This
you
is,
say again?
yes, this
Yes,
is
sir.
unordered. And now this is ordered. Okay. We are giving 1, 2 orders, right? Here we are not giving any order. We are just putting it as a bullet point. Okay. Don't worry, we'll try it out. You will understand. Okay. So now let's convert this to a list. Okay. So to do that, what we are going to do is we'll cut this, we'll keep it, paste it here for safekeeping now. We'll just use an unordered list. Okay. So to do that, the code is this. Now between this, you have to write the list items. Okay. So the tag for list item is li. Okay. We are using 3 list items. So let me just copy this and paste it 2 more times. Okay. The first one is for hobbies. Okay. Let's try to do it in a better way. So I'm writing my hobbies. Okay. Then the second one is
Soul animal.
soul animal. My. Okay. Then the last one is my favorite songs. Okay. Now, see, now this all 3 things are shown in a list form. But this
Sir,
is
but
there-
sir, still, it's not in list, sir.
Eh,
If we
this is-
see, sir, down.
Come again?
Sir, if we see, sir, below it, sir, we can see that hobbies, my soul animal, and song.
So you want to
Not
see it in a single line. That's what you want.
No, sir, I want to like see the. Sir, can I, sir, use the mouse pointer to show?
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely.
Sir, I'm saying that this hobby below that. So here's my hobbies, and why don't we like put this over my near my hobbies, and then my soul animal, and then
Yes, yes,
song
okay.
replaces my favorite songs.
Okay, yes, this part. No, ignore this part. Okay. Okay, wait. Wait.
Sir, we can put BR, sir.
Yes, but in BR, you won't get this. Wait. Yeah,
Sir, what's BR,
this was the
sir?
intention. BR is break tag. Instead of using using enter. Yes, Aditya.
Sir, when we go to our website and click on my hobby, sir, it will not get the page of my hobby, sir. We should get
Yes,
it.
yes. Wait, Aditya. Wait. Yeah. Now, see, you can see all the 3 pages are being listed. Okay, but we cannot go to those pages. Okay. Now, to go to that pages, we have to again use the anchor tag. For all of you, focus here. Okay, how to use the anchor tag inside a list item. So inside the list item, we are going to use the anchor tag. Okay. Okay. Okay, see, focus here. So we have list item starting, list item ending. Inside that, we have this anchor tag. Inside that, we have the anchor tag starting and anchor tag ending. Okay, let's see how this is being displayed. Okay. Okay, see.
Sir, can you please remove the annotations?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now we are providing the href. Href stands for hyperlink reference. Okay, so href of my hobbies is my hobbies, right? Href for soul animal is my soul animal. Href for my song, favorite songs is this one. Okay, now we saved it. Now we can, now the bars came, now this is being displayed as links, so we can go from one page to the other. Correct?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, now like.
Sir, I have another question, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Sarah. Wait. I will take. I know all of you might be having a lot of doubts. So wait. I will take all of your questions. Don't worry. Okay. All of you. Let me explain it once again. Okay. So here we are using two things. We are using the link items or the list items, and we are using the anchor tag to create a menu. Okay. So if you go to any website, okay, this one, they have a menu on the top. Okay, this part is a menu, right? See, they have it in horizontal way. We are having it in a vertical way. But nevertheless, this is also a menu. Okay, we can click here to go to different pages, right? So what we are doing is we are creating a menu for your page. Okay, it's like an index. So in an index, you see on which page which content is there. Similarly, here we created an index. Clicking on any link, we can go to any page on the website. Okay, now yes, now all of you who has a doubt, I'm stopping my
Sir, me.
share. Okay,
Arav.
yes,
Sir, can you share your screen, sir? It would be easier on it.
Yeah.
Just you share the
Yeah,
screen, sir. I have
I have a
doubt
doubt.
on your screen,
I
sir.
have a doubt, sir.
wait. Yes, I'm sharing the VS Code. Yes. Now, all of you who has a doubt can raise their hand. We'll go one by one. Okay. Again, this is as important. This is also important. Like in last class, adding images and text was important. Similarly, this is also important. So all of you who has a doubt can raise their hand. Okay. In the meantime, all of you try to do this. All of you have your 3 files with you, and try to link those 3 files. Okay. Yes. Aditya, we'll start with Aditya. Yes, Aditya, what is your doubt?
Sir, like now, I visit your website, sir. Now, like it's my website, and I want to say like importance of songs. I have to type, I want to type, and then I want that link of songs. When we click on that link of songs, then the other information will be available. Sir, but when
Yes.
we do the information, write the sentences which we want in HTML, sir. So it will be too long, sir. So can we have something so that the code will be short?
Come again. I didn't get you. It will be long as in where it will be long.
Sir, means I want to say like, sir, like my website. It was a heading, no, sir. Like that only I want to text some text like about the importance of song, who made this, who made that, like that.
Okay.
Then I want the song link and when we click on that song link, the other information will be available. Like that, sir. Sir, but when we give the information of the
Okay,
song,
this is
it will
becoming
be long.
long. Okay, okay, okay. So you can do use no. Okay, you can do one thing. Okay, you can okay, that thing can be done in JavaScript. Okay, Aditya, what you are asking is it can be done in JavaScript only. Understood? I understood your question. So you want to display some small portion of information. When
Yes.
you click on more, it should display all the information, right?
Yes, sir.
That thing can be achieved in JavaScript, not in HTML. Okay. So what you can do is okay, let's try it out. Okay. So suppose here what you can do is, so in My Soul Animal there are a lot of things, right? Here
Yes, sir.
suppose you want 2-3 paragraphs. Okay, suppose I'm copy pasting this. Okay, Control C, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Now this becomes big, right?
Yes.
Okay. So instead of showing all this, what you can do is, okay, instead of showing all this, what you can do is you can put a anchor tag over here, okay, and write more and create another page where you have all the information. Okay, that will be one way of doing it, but again, it will be not the right way.
Okay, sir.
Or maybe like putting a arrow which then displays slowly.
Yes, putting the arrow will also
Sir,
again.
we can also do one thing that we can make a
Again, we can do
website
a lot of
where
things. Again, wait. We can do a lot of things, but it will not be what actually Aditya wanted. Okay, that thing can be done in JavaScript. Okay. Tanushree is
Sir, then
saying
when
she
we
has
will start
completed. Yes.
JavaScript? Sir, when we will start JavaScript?
After CSS. After CSS. After CSS. Okay. Arav, you have a doubt? Aditya,
Yes,
mute
sir.
yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Arav.
So can you go back to the web page that we just made?
Yes, this one.
No, sir. On Chrome, sir. Chrome.
Okay. Yes. Yes, yes.
Sir,
This
we
is
cannot
right.
see.
This is it, right? Yes.
Sir, we cannot see the
Okay,
Chrome.
Okay. Wait. Yes. Can you see it now?
Sharing. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
So basically, I just wanted to know a simple thing. So this is my hobbies and this is underlined. So with blue,
Yes.
it's underlined, but I don't want it to be underlined. What should I do? And I
Okay.
want this to be
Good,
some
good.
different color.
Yes. Good question. Good question, Aditya. Yes. Again.
No,
Aditya,
sir,
that
Arav.
is a part of. Okay, that was Arav. Okay. Yes, Arav, that is a good question. Okay. So see, again, that is a part of styling. Okay. Now what you want is to style it in a different way. Okay. We can do styling in CSS. Okay. Till now, let's use it like this. Okay. We'll learn how to remove the line, how to how to change the color. Okay. We will learn that gradually, not right now. Okay.
Sir, can we say put a background to this?
See, again, putting a background will require CSS. Okay.
Okay.
See, in the basic times, okay. Let me show you. Old HTML website. See. Let's show you some website.
That's so good, sir.
So in the previous time, they were using, there was no pictures to be displayed. Okay, websites were just text. Okay, text and in different colors. Again, no, this is not it. Okay.
Sir, my system is getting switched off again and again.
Means in the earlier time there would be only text and colors instead of picture.
Yes, they were just using
Sir, how do we get this one, sir?
Hey, wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
How
this
did
one,
you
this
put
one.
this
Okay.
animation, sir?
Again, animation will come in CSS. Okay. Wait. One at a time. Okay. Yes. Similar to this. Okay. You see this page?
Yes, sir.
Sir, assignment.
Okay. Assignment I'll tell. Don't worry. Okay. So this is how the page used to look like. Okay. Okay. Only text and hyperlink. Okay. This is how the website used to be look like. That is why we invented CSS to make it look better. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So who invented it?
CSS, it was invented by a group of people. Okay. It was not as one person. A group of people came together to form all the standards and all.
Sir,
Okay.
they used HTML and formed CSS.
No. They used HTML to make. Okay, I'm getting a lot of background noises. Okay, they used HTML to form the structure of the website and use CSS to give it good color and decoration. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir, when we will learn CSS?
CSS probably next class. Okay, because if you are able to do this, all of you are getting so impatient. I will teach you some basic CSS in next class, and we'll go on with the details
Sir,
in coming classes.
Sir, I
Yes.
have another doubt, sir. Sir,
Yes, Hari.
can we like merge CSS and HTML?
Yes, we can merge, we can unmerge, we can do a lot of things. We will see when the class comes. Okay. In the meantime, okay. In the meantime, everyone else, are you all able to link your files?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Daksh,
Yes, sir.
Daksh, all must be.
Sir, you're not audible.
Sir, can you just show the code again to sir insert an image, sir? I was not there at this, sir, and how to do that, please.
Sir, are you there in the meeting?
Sir,
Sir,
sir, are you there?
Sir, what happens?
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Why you are not audible?
Sir is not connected.
Somebody
Okay.
please put it
no,
in.
sir is connected.
Yes. Sorry, guys, I got disconnected. Okay. Wait. I was yes. We were talking with Daksh. Daksh, are you familiar with HTML and CSS?
Sir, voice is
HTML at least.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Daksh, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir. I'm able to show.
Okay, Daksh. Okay, just still look at the past two classes. Okay. Okay, Daksh.
Sir,
Okay.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, Ragini, go ahead.
Sir, in mine, when I'm like trying to link the page, it is showing in white color, sir, like not in the HTML type. Like in the code,
Okay. So share your screen.
Yeah, sir. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So you have written the href outside the anchor tag. Okay. Href is an attribute. You have to put it inside the opening tag.
So means
Means okay.
is equal to के
Let me
बाद
see.
के बाद.
No. Okay. Let me share. Stop
Ragini,
your
did you stop your
sharing.
share?
Let me share my screen. Yes. So
Middle, your voice is breaking.
yes, I understand. I have a poor network connection. Just bear, okay? So see, so this is a basic anchor tag, okay? Ragini.
yes, sir.
Sir, I do have a problem.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
So this is a basic anchor tag, okay? This one is okay. Just give me one. So this is
The voice is breaking.
Sir, your voice is
Sir.
breaking.
Your voice is breaking.
okay. Ragini, is it better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was saying this is a basic anchor tag, okay? So anchor tag has three parts, okay? Let me explain. So this is the opening tag, okay? This is the
Yes.
closing tag. This is the closing tag, and this is the content, okay? So the href, as you can see here, goes in the opening tag, okay? Inside the opening tag. So let me explain again. So this is how you write an anchor tag, okay? This is the opening tag. This is the opening. This is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag, okay? Inside this opening tag, you put attribute which is href. Okay,
Yes, sir.
try doing that. I think that will solve the problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bindusri, your doubt?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I share the screen?
Yes, just give me 1 minute. Let me save this. Yes. Yes, you can share your screen.
Thank you, sir. So here, when I type this,
Just a second. Let your screen load. Yes.
1 minute, sir.
You have not put the inverted quotation marks. The quotation marks, Bindusri, after href. After equal to href equal to, then you have to start with the quotation marks. Yes, put the quotation mark, double quotation. Yes. Okay. Now yes. Now remove that red dot and slash. Yes. Okay. Now inside this quotation mark you can write anything. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, but wait, Bindusri, you have written here the coding class. I think this is the name of the folder. Okay, you have to name the file. So press backspace, remove that. Yes, put dot and forward slash. Now choose the file that you want to store. Okay,
Yes.
you can choose the file. Yes. Okay. Ragini, your doubt is over, right?
No, sir, it's showing the last tag, the closing tag is showing in red, sir.
Okay, share your screen, no issues.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you haven't closed the opening tag.
So here.
Yes. Okay, now you have closed it before the href. Okay, let me annotate it for you. Okay, see. Yes, you have to save it here. close it here. Yes, use the closing tag or the greater than sign. Yes, now it is fine.
Yeah, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Arav, you still have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, you can lower your hand. So is Ragini and Bindusri. Okay. What about Brinda? Brinda, okay, Brinda, you are not with your Lappy right now, I think, right? Brinda. Sandhya,
Yes, sir.
you are able to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Jia,
Yes, sir.
you are able to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone who is facing any issues?
No, sir,
No
no doubt.
issues, sir. Bye, sir.
No, sir.
No issues, no? Okay. Now let's try to make the website look little bit better. Okay. So we are going to do some formatting. Okay. So my website is in H1. I'm putting, okay. Here you have used unordered list. To change it to ordered list, we have to just use OL. Okay.
Sir, for unordered list, we should use UL.
UL. For ordered list, you have to use OL. Okay. Now let's see how that changes the website. See, now it became 1, 2, 3. Instead of just dots, now it became 1, 2, 3.
Sir, we cannot
Okay.
see, sir, because sir, you have just shared the
Yes, sir.
Right.
VS code, sir, not the.
Right. Okay. See,
Yes, sir. Visible.
previously there was dots over here. Okay. Before the names, there were dots, right?
Yes.
Let me show you UL and UL. Okay. So this is how it was looking earlier. Okay. Notice the 3 dots. Now if I change it to OL, that is order list, it becomes 1, 2, and 3. Okay. See, but I think UL was better, right?
Yes, sir.
Background noises, please mute. Yes. Okay. Now I'm trying to make this look little bit better. So to do that, what I'm adding a horizontal line over here. Okay. So this is my hobbies, my soul animal. Okay. Now in the my hobbies page, let's see. Okay. We are going to my hobbies. Okay. Dr. HTML hobbies. Changing the title to my hobbies. Okay. In the head tag is closed. Href. Okay. Text.
Sir, put a underline, sir, below the home.
Put an underline below the home. Yes, that's
sir.
what I did. That's what I did. Okay. Okay. One more thing I want to use. This was, I think, Sandhya's code. Wait, let me just check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is Sandhya's code. Okay. So Sandhya, here you have done one problem. Okay. You have used P tag and S2 tags together. Okay. So the result is something like this. So you wanted it to be a paragraph or you wanted it to be H2?
No, sir, I wanted it to be H2.
H2, no? So don't put the paragraph tag. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm removing the paragraph tag, but you have used it perfectly. Like if you are using something in between something, like here you had used H2 inside paragraph, so you had closed it properly. But don't use 2 things if it is not required. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have used paragraph and strong. Okay. Some of the hobbies are okay. Good. Okay. You have also used the alternate thing. Good. Okay, here again you are using paragraph with S3. Okay, if you are using S3, you don't have to use the paragraph tag. Heading and paragraphs are different. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I mean, you can use, but you shouldn't use. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't have your image file, so I won't be able to do anything about it. Okay. Now, see, it looks slightly better, right?
Yes, sir.
Here. Okay. And in soul animal. First paragraph. Okay. Title, you haven't given any title. I'm changing it to my soul animal.
Sir, I did a shortcut, sir. Instead of typing, sir, I took the whole paragraph from Google, copied and pasted it, sir. Sir, but
That is, yes.
sir, but only the text which I typed is showing, sir. The copy paste text is not showing.
Okay, I will. So send me the HTML file.
Okay, sir. I will try to send. Now I'm using some other devices.
Okay, okay, no issues, no issues.
Sir, can we sir make an icon for home page?
Yes, we can make an icon for that. Okay, just let me do that. Why it is showing?
Sir, can we show, means like put a background color, sir? Like I want a red background. In it,
Wait,
I want the text to be in black color.
wait, just hold on. There is some error. Why it is showing my soul animal over here before home? Add HTML. Head tag is closed. Title is there. Doc type HTML. Wait. I'm just copying this. Control X. Control E. And the body part is fine, I think. Control X. Why this my soul animal is coming prior to this code?
Sir, I think you have texted it in the same line. No, sir, it's not like that. Also.
Title is there, no head is there. Okay. Yes. Less Bindusri. Okay, now it is gone. If I'm putting title over here. Okay, the naming was wrong.
I said no, sir. Somewhere else in that there is only the fault.
Yes, now it is there. Okay, the title spelling was wrong. Okay. Now it is there. Okay. Okay. So we have created a whole page, okay, where you can see what are the pages. We created a whole website where you can see what are the different pages over there. Okay. And we can go to those pages by clicking on the links. Okay. I want a picture here after index. Okay, this is my website after href. Okay, you wanted to add icons, right? Okay, so let's add
Yes, sir.
icons. All of you are focusing here or doing something else?
They're focusing, sir.
Focusing.
Okay,
Writing notes.
icons.
Coding class.
I was doing something else. Now I am focusing.
Okay, focus here, focus here. We are adding icons. Okay, images.
Sir, did Techno Gamers icon.
Okay, wait, let me find out some icon. Okay.
Sir,
So
it
we
will be like yes, sir.
are going to use this one.
Sir,
Okay.
not sir, black and white, sir.
Okay, set up.
Sir,
Copy.
that one, sir, that heart one. Sir, please take that heart one, no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
the
sir.
point is to learn.
So can we
Point is
choose
to
our
learn
own,
how
sir?
to use. yes, you can choose your own, but focus here for now, okay? Because I'm explaining how to do this, okay? So like here, we are putting it inside the images folder with the name songs, okay? Songs.png. Take myself, save, okay? Then we'll search for animal.
सर बहुत भारी प्रक्रिया जारी है सर, आपका लैपटॉप ही हैंग हो गया।
नहीं, हैंग तो नहीं हो रहा,
हाँ
चल रहा है ना?
सर, सर हमको
चल रहा है?
हैंग दिख रहा है सर।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
सर अभी हिल रहा है, अभी हिल रहा है पर सर।
अच्छा, वो नेटवर्क थोड़ा स्लो है यार, क्या
सर
करें?
पांडा पे सर, पांडा का कोई सेट करो सर, पांडा।
रुको, यहाँ पे
सर नहीं तो खुद का ही फेस का आइकन बना दो, गुंडू पांडा, गुडू पांडा।
ओके,
सर फिर हॉबीज का क्या रखोगे? सर
फाइंड आउट। ओके, we can
हाँ सर वो वाला,
use
तो आपके ऊपर 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 वो नहीं सर। हाँ सर, हाँ
अरे
सर,
सर
वो
को कौन सा पसंद है वो लेंगे।
सर वो तो हॉस्पिटल का है सर।
सर हम हैं उसके लिए आप पढ़ा रहे हो सर, नहीं तो आप किसको पढ़ाते हैं? उसके लिए हमारे भी थोड़ी सुन लो।
बच्चे को पढ़ाते आप किसको पढ़ाते
hobby,
हाँ
okay.
सर, उसकी जगह फ्री टाइम होता उनके पास इतना सारा।
Okay, now we are going to add the icons. Add the icons which are all in images. Okay, so do you do that? We are okay. Focus here, guys. Focus here. Okay. I don't have my laptop. Okay. So to do that, we are adding images over here. IMG.
Sir, we should type images.
SRC. Come again.
Sir, IMG SRC.
SRC. Then we are going to images. This one is hobbies, no? Okay, hobbies is added. Similarly, okay, we have to keep this because these are icons. We have to make them smaller. So we are
So we
reducing
have
the
to do that in the index HTML or the hobbies HTML.
क्या हुआ?
Hobbies.
So you're doing in the index.
Index. I'm doing this in index. Index. We are going to put the icons. No, I'm doing it in index. You can see here. Okay, this is index. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So okay, images. Okay, because these are icons, we have to keep them smaller in size. So I'm reducing the width to
So 20.
10 pixel. I think is fine.
Sir, your cursor is roaming there only, sir. Yes, sir. Now you're typing.
Pixel.
Sir,
Okay.
So what does PX means?
Pixel.
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 Megapixel.
Thank you, thank you.
सर नॉट
मेगापिक्सल नहीं, ओनली पिक्सल।
यस सर, ओनली
Example
पिक्सल।
दिया, मैं example दिया।
सर एग्जांपल क्या होता है?
Sir, in a
One was
it is
animal.
megapixel.
Songs.
Animal.
Animal, sir.
This one is songs. Okay.
Songs.
So let's check
सर
out
आपने
the.
ये कैसा किया?
आप फोकस करोगे तब ना पता चलेगा। आप आपस में बात कर रहे हो, कैसे पता चलेगा?
सर आपसे सीक्रेट, सर आप क्या सर सीक्रेट मेथड यूज करके सर फटाफट से सर चेंज कर रहे हो कैसे?
हमको
रुको बता दूंगा। रुको पहले देखने तो हुआ कि नहीं। अच्छा हो गया। इसको थोड़ा बड़ा करना पड़ेगा। ओके
सर ये देख के कोई क्या समझेगा सर?
हाँ सर,
तो बड़ा
सर क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस था सर?
करो 56 करो सर 56।
सर
सर
200 कर
100
दो
सर,
सर।
100
कोई
सर मैं
कंडीशन
होता
नहीं
सर
सर।
अभी तक सर 100 कर
कर दो
देता सर।
सर 2 करोड़ ही कर दो सर, इतना सब बोल रहे, सबका ऐड
नहीं
करके
सर,
2
मैंने
करोड़
ट्राई
तो
किया
बन
था
ही
सर,
जाएगा।
मैंने बहुत सारे जीरो लगा दिए थे 1 के आगे, वो दिख ही नहीं रहा
अभी
था।
देखो
हाँ सर अभी अच्छा
हाँ
है।
सर,
नहीं
हाँ
सर,
सर ठीक है
नहीं सर,
और
सर,
थोड़ा
अभी
बड़ा
सर
करो।
ओके सर।
सर म्यूजिक वाला छोड़ के सब कोई भी अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है।
अच्छा, कोई
हाँ
दिक्कत
सर,
नहीं बाबा।
वो भी बात
जब
सही है सर। और
आप
सर एक
लोग
और क्वेश्चन है सर, क्या सर हम इनको हाइड कर सकते हैं क्या, माई हॉबीज और इनको
हाइड करना
सर
है
आपने
मतलब
इसको जूम कैसे किया?
इनको छुपाना है बस, हॉबीज को क्लिक करके वगैरह।
हाँ, इसको
क्योंकि
जूम, वेट वेट वेट, रुको रुको रुको। हाँ, जूम करने के लिए क्या करना है, मैं माउस मतलब ट्रैक
सर
यूज
आपका
करना है।
बैटरी सर
अगर
100 हो
टच
गया
पैड
सर।
से हो जाएगा ना सर, 2 उंगली से ऐसे
सर
तो
आपको तो कोई बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे सर, कोई ना कोई
वही
तो
वही
पकता है।
म्यूट कर दो।
हाँ सर।
पिंच टू जूम, आप पिंच टू जूम कर सकते हो, वरना यहाँ पे जाके जूम का ऑप्शन है ना, आप यहाँ से भी जूम कर सकते हो। ठीक
सर
है,
और कहाँ से कर सकते हैं जूम?
इधर इधर क्रोम में है ना, इधर 3 बटन दबाओगे तो वहां पे जूम का ऑप्शन आएगा।
नहीं सर, ये एक ऑप्शन है और एक ऑप्शन कहाँ पर है?
टच
और
पैड।
एक ऑप्शन है टच पैड से जूम इन जूम आउट
जैसे
कर सकते
फोन में करते हैं ना, जैसे फोन में
वैसे।
जूम, वैसे ही टच पैड पे करने से
हो।
होता
वही
है।
वही ओके, ठीक है। अभी हो गया। हाँ, तो अभी हम लोगों ने देखा कि आइकन कैसे ऐड करना है। कोई पूछ रहा था कि माय हॉबीज, ओके, समवन इज आस्किंग हाउ टू रिमूव माय हॉबीज, माय सोल एंड माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स एंड जस्ट
यस
कीप
सर, आरव सर।
images. Yes, Arav. Okay, we can do that also. Okay, but we'll do that in next class. Okay, right now, okay, all of you are saying that these images are not looking good. That is fine because it is your assignment.
sir.
Okay, right now to link all the 3 files that you have created. Okay, and make an index file, additional file, which is going to link all the 3 files. Okay.
ओके सर।
Okay.
ओके सर।
सर
सर लेकिन आपने वो 3 लाइन को इतना सारा लाइन कैसे किया वो हमको बता।
अच्छा ठीक है, हाँ बता दे रहा हूँ। ठीक ठीक, सही बात है, सही बात है। देखिए, तो पहले क्या हुआ ना, देखिए, अच्छा रुको मैं इसको अंडू करूं, कंट्रोल जेड, अच्छा चलो अंडू कर ही देता हूँ, कंट्रोल जेड। हाँ, ये था ना,
यस
ये भी नहीं, पूरा शुरू से बताऊंगा।
सर आपका बैटरी सर
बढ़ जाएगा सर लैपटॉप।
कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा। देखो, तो क्या किया ना मैंने, देखो हमारे पास इतना था, करेक्ट, हमारे पास एक we had a list item with an anchor tag, correct? Now we are trying to add a image into the list item. हम लोग list item के अंदर एक इमेज ऐड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो एक इमेज फाइल यहाँ पे हमने लिख दिया। ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने इसका width 10 और हाइट 10 पिक्सल कर दिया। ठीक है
सर एक से ही सबका हो जाएगा?
नहीं, सबको अलग अलग इमेज डाल रहे हो ना, तो अलग अलग इमेज ऐड करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन हम लोगों ने देखा 10 पिक्सल से बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है, तो हम लोग इसको 20 पिक्सल कर देते हैं। ठीक है,
नहीं सर, सब में हाइट विड्थ 20 पिक्सल ऐसे लिखना है कि एक पे लिखेंगे तो सब हो जाएंगे।
लगेगा सर।
नहीं, सब में लिखना पड़ेगा, सब में लिखना पड़ेगा। ओके, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
अभी ये हो गया। अभी हमने क्या किया, देखो, सबके पहले एक इमेज लगाना है ना, तो मैंने इसको कॉपी कर दिया। ठीक है, इसको सिलेक्ट किया, कॉपी कर लिया, यहाँ पे मैंने इसको पेस्ट कर दिया। ठीक है, 3rd लाइन के पहले भी मैंने इसको पेस्ट कर दिया। ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें दिक्कत ये है कि यहाँ पे सेम पिक्चर तीनों में आ जाएगा। पिक्चर को चेंज करना पड़ेगा, पिक्चर मतलब SRC को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। तो सोर्स में जाके मैंने बैकस्पेस मारा, यहाँ पे फिर इमेजेस के अंदर ये वाला है क्या, सोल एनिमल, रुको, ये सोल एनिमल है ना, तो सोल एनिमल के लिए कौन सा फाइल था हमारा, ये वाला था ना, एनिमल। हाँ, सिमिलरली हॉबी के लिए, सॉरी ये सॉन्ग्स के लिए मैंने इसको बैकस्पेस मारा, इमेजेस के अंदर हमारा सॉन्ग्स। ठीक है, अभी इसको मैं सेव करूंगा तो मल्टीपल लाइन बन जाएगा, लेकिन देख के डरना नहीं है, सेम ही चीज है। ठीक है, मैं सेव किया तो मल्टीपल लाइन बन गया। हाँ, तो वही
कैसे सर सेव, सर आपने सर कब किया सर?
हाँ सर, फाइल में भी नहीं गए, सेव भी नहीं गए।
हाँ सर,
बता रहा हूँ बच्चों, बता रहा हूँ, कंट्रोल एस प्रेस करने से एट ए टाइम में सेव हो जाएगा। ठीक है, अगर आप लोग चाहते हो मैं फाइल में जाके सेव करूं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, फाइल में सेव मारूंगा ना, सेम चीज हो गया। ठीक है,
ठीक है थैंक यू।
हाँ ठीक है, अभी ये हो गया। ये होने के बाद हम लोगों ने रिजल्ट देखा, यहाँ पे ऐसा दिख रहा है। ठीक है, ठीक है। अभी अगर हम लोग कहीं पेज पे जाएं तो हमको अलग अलग पेजेस दिख रहा है। तो अपना वेबसाइट बन गया।
गार्डनिंग का फोटो आपका नहीं दिखाई दे रहा सर।
किस चीज का फोटो?
सर माय हॉबीज में जाइए सर।
माय हॉबीज पे जाएंगे तो हाँ, ये फोटो संध्या की गलती है, उसने फोटो नहीं भेजा मुझे।
सर आपने सर होम पे नहीं डाला सर पिक्चर, सर होम पे नहीं डाला सर पिक्चर।
डाल देंगे बाबा, डाल देंगे। अभी आपको पता लग गया ना कि कैसे डालना है, तो
हाँ,
आप डाल
दो बार क्यों बोला वो?
सर
वो हमारा असाइनमेंट है।
सर एक
बोलिए।
और सर, क्या
Yes.
सर आप आइकन पे क्लिक करके सर जो वो छोटा सा पिक्चर डाले सर, उससे हम जा सकते हैं माई
जा
हॉबीज
सकते
पे?
हैं, जा सकते हैं,
सर
जा
करके
सकते हैं।
दिखाओ सर।
चलो ठीक है, वो भी दिखा देते हैं। ठीक है, चलो होम पे ना अपन वही करेंगे। ठीक है, अभी आप होम पे जाएंगे। ठीक है, यहाँ पे होम लिखने के बजाय हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इमेज डाल देंगे। ठीक है, IMG। ठीक है, और इसके अंदर हम लोग को एक होम का आइकन डालना पड़ेगा।
सर होम उसका आइकन क्या होगा?
सर होम का आइकन एक
देखते
घर आ
हैं गूगल
जाएगा।
क्या सजेस्ट करता है।
वही
सर
सर
एक घर
हाँ
दिखाएगा
वही
सर।
होगा।
सर एक घर का आइकन।
बोला ना सर।
हाँ
तो झोपड़ी बोलते हैं सर इसे, घर नहीं।
तेरे-
हाँ सर झोपड़ी।
हाँ
अच्छा
सर।
जो भी।
दोनों
ठीक है,
में
अच्छा
ठीक है। अरे आप इस कोड पे फोकस करो, पिक्चर पे नहीं। ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग इमेज डाल दिए थे ना, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या लिखना है, SRC
इमेजेस
images home।
होम PNG।
अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग कर दिए। अभी देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है वो। ये हम लोग कहाँ पे डाले वैसे?
सर
कहाँ
आपने
पे डाले?
साइज सेट नहीं किया?
अब देखते हैं बिना साइज सेट किए कैसा दिखता है। देखते हैं, माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग में डाला ना, माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग। देखिए अभी आपका ये पूरा होम पे क्लिक करेंगे। देखो फोकस यहाँ पे करो, मैं होम पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ ना, तो भी हमारा इंडेक्स पे जा रहा है। समझ रहे हैं? यहाँ पे
हाँ
मैंने
सर।
सर वो होम बहुत वो डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग है सर, उसे थोड़ा साइड में करो।
छोटा
हाँ
कर
सर।
देता हूँ।
सर 5,026 कर दो सर।
सर
25
20
पिक्सल।
सर 50 कर दो सर 50।
मैं मुक्का मारूंगा, रुको।
क्या हुआ?
ओके 25 पिक्सल। ठीक है, अभी गए फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स में, तो देखिए ये छोटा सा होम है, यहाँ
हाँ
पे हम लोग
सर,
क्लिक कर रहे हैं तो होम पे आ रहा
ये
है।
करेक्ट
ठीक
है
है,
सर आपने तो कुंग फू पांडा भी बुकमार्क कर रखा है।
सर अगर
हाँ
सर
सर।
अगर हम चाहते हैं सर वो होम आइकन प्लस होम लिखा हुआ भी दिखाए तो वो हो सकता है सर।
हाँ यहाँ पे आप इमेज के
होम
साइड
करके
में
टाइप
आप
करना है।
होम लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, सेव कर दिया हमने। अभी
हाँ सर
देखिए
अभी लिखो।
फेवरेट सॉन्ग पे देखो होम भी आ गया। यहाँ पे देखो, आप यहाँ पे भी क्लिक करोगे तो जाएगा, होम पे भी क्लिक करोगे तो जाएगा।
सर
ठीक है,
सुनिए ना सर। सर दिस इज माय वेबसाइट। माय वेबसाइट में भी हम ये डाल सकते हैं सर लोगो।
हाँ डाल सकते हो। हाँ, अरे अब कहाँ कहाँ पे डालना है सब कर सकते हो। आप खुद एक्सपेरिमेंट करो।
सर
ठीक है,
अर्बन
सर हमारे घर में चिमनी नहीं है सर, झोपड़ी में भी चिमनी लगा के देते हैं ये लोग।
अरे ये फॉरेन का घर है बेटा, यहाँ पे चिमनी रहना जरूरी है।
सर रियान को कोई बाहर
वो बात अलग है कि दीवार से कुछ ज्यादा ही दूर है चिमनी।
वही सर।
ठीक है कोई नहीं। अभी ठीक है, अभी ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड योर असाइनमेंट। क्या
Yes,
करना है
sir.
सबको, और भेजना है कैसे है सबको पता है। जिप करके भेजना है, कोडिंग को। ठीक है, ठीक है।
फाइल को जिप करके भेजना है।
हाँ फोल्डर को, फाइल को नहीं, फोल्डर। यस
ठीक है
सर
सर।
फॉरेन में तो सर जो घर होता है सर वो ये लकड़ी का बना होता है सर।
ये मेरे से मुक्का खाएगा। ठीक है
सर मेरे को एक डाउट है सर, बियॉन्ड द टॉपिक थोड़ा सा है। सर मेरे लैपटॉप में कितनी बैटरी है वो हिडन आइकन्स में नहीं दिखा था सर, आपने साइड में कैसे लगाया सर? वो बहुत बड़ा सा आ रहा है।
ये वाला
ड्रैग एंड
ना,
ड्रॉप।
ये वाला
ग्रीन
ना।
कलर का सर,
हाँ ये
प्रिंटर
आपको,
नहीं है सर।
हाँ अगर आपका लेनोवो लाती है ना उसमें हो सकेगा। HP का
सर
है ना,
एसर
पर
है।
आपका एसर में ना, एसर में नहीं हो पाएगा बेटा।
ओके सर।
सर मेरा HP है
सर कोडिंग क्लास में क्या क्या डाउट्स पूछ रहे हैं सर?
आता नहीं
सर एटलीस्ट ये चिमनी वाले से तो अच्छा है सर।
सर
हाँ,
आपको लैपटॉप
that is true.
सेशन लेना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ ओके यस
सर आपका क्लास सर 20% हाईजैक हो ही चुका है सर शायद।
सर आप
क्या
पिछले
है?
10 मिनट से
हाँ, हाँ,
हिंदी
सर
बोल
मैं
रहे हैं।
देखो सर चुपचाप बैठा हूँ सर।
सर
आपको
100% सर होने में सर कुछ ही सेकंड बचे हैं।
सर 9 बज गए सर।
ठीक है आज अभी 9 बज गया। ठीक है क्लास खत्म कर रहा हूँ मैं।
सर नो
ठीक है?
सर नो सर।
सर
No, sir.
फाइनली आज पहली बार।
आदर्श मेरा इंटरनेट नहीं आ
Yes,
रहा था
sir.
इसीलिए मैं सही में दूसरे के घर के छत के ऊपर बैठा हूँ, वो आके मारेगा मेरे को। ठीक है
लास्ट थिंग
उसके घर में चिमनी है क्या सर?
लास्ट क्लास
उसके घर में चिमनी है क्या सर?
कौन से प्लेस में हो
सर वीडियो ऑन कीजिए
जस्ट
ना
एज द लास्ट क्लास
इसीलिए
सर वीडियो
अरे हाँ
Yes,
आदर्श
sir, sir.
अरे डोंट वरी अपन नेक्स्ट क्लास में ना
लास्ट थिंग सर।
सर प्लीज सर शो सर
हेलो सर।
सर रियली सर
सर प्लीज सर वीडियो दिखाओ ना।
सर क्या ये BTS का क्या लगा रहे हैं सर ये?
सर सुनो सर।
हाँ
सर अब तक चुप था ना सर। एक बार मैं जो क्या बनाया सर वो देखो सर।
ठीक है
सर इनको देख के मेरे को है ना कैदी की याद आ रही है सर। वो कैदी जैसे खड़े होते हैं ना।
सर सोचो कि सर कोई इंसान है सर उसको
Also,
BTS के
the
बारे में कुछ
hyperlink
भी नहीं
also.
मालूम है तो वो सोचेगा यार ये तो पूरा का
बड़े
पूरा
अमीर कैदी है अमीर कैदी।
ऐसे ही लग रहा है जो जेल में जाके
अच्छा वैसे आदर्श ने अच्छा काम किया है, उसने पूरा डाटाबेस बनाया यार, अच्छा किया है आदर्श।
Yes sir. So and in the vocals I have given their name, photo
बस।
and about them sir.
देखो
सर लड़की है क्या सर ये?
ये सब हमको जाना चाहिए था सर।
लड़की
ये वो नया हेयर स्टाइल है, आपको नहीं पता है।
सर इनको बिल्कुल भी इंग्लिश का ई भी
They're
नहीं
my
पता है सर।
favorite sir.
सर
मालूम
सब
है।
सेम लग रहे हैं सर।
सर ये बहुत सालों में इसके पूरा ये पेड़ उग जाएगा सर बहुत सालों में।
Others, I'm doubting your choices, okay?
So what sir? So you
Sir,
can
I
ask
have
in
a
the
doubt,
class sir.
sir.
Most of the members in it
सर
sir.
वीडियो ऑन
So
कीजिए
you
ना।
can.
सर आई हैव अ डाउट
सर वीडियो ऑन कर
मेरे को एक डाउट है सर। आदर्श ये क्या गाते हैं सर कोरियन में? इसे समझ कैसे आता है आदर्श को?
Others is
सबटाइटल्स
multi-talented.
ट्रांसलेट किसके लिए क्या है?
सबटाइटल्स पढ़ के
हाँ सबटाइटल्स ट्रांसलेशन
Okay.
सर देखो सर कोई तो है सर। सर बहुत
उसको
सारे लोग
understand करने
फैंस
के
हैं
लिए
सर।
कोरियन पढ़ रहे हैं सर।
Okay.
सर देखो सर। सर
Okay,
आप
okay,
पूछ
okay.
लो सर।
के ड्रामा
हो गया?
में सबटाइटल्स ही देख के इंसान समझ
सर
पाता है
वीडियो
Okay, okay.
वीडियो ऑन करो सर, मुझको चिमनी देखना है सर।
अरे
सर श्रेया कुमार को तो सिर्फ
ठीक,
चिमनी
ठीक।
देखना है
सुनो क्लास खत्म कर रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है?
सर